Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a new feature in MindPrint really quickly. So first of all, when you are on the MindPrint page, you can go to the profile, and mostly we look at the MindPrint profile. That's the one that really has the deeper nuance, but if you haven't already used it, the Student Learner Profile is a nice little tool that you can use to share primarily with families and with students if you're looking to take the bite off of maybe the details of some of the MindPrint information. This is a really good thing to share, particularly if the student has a lot of skills in the struggle category and you're worried about how it's going to maybe deflate them if you share that information with them. So the example here is that this student, they don't actually say what the strength or weakness is. They don't say relative to their other peers. This is actually just within the student themselves, right? So this student is stronger at complex reasoning than long-term memory and executive functioning because it has this bigger box. And then within complex reasoning, verbal reasoning is their best skill and visual reasoning is their worst skill. And so we might know that this kid has like very deep attention struggles, but this here just says, hey, it's one of your lowest. It doesn't really kind of put a grade on it. It just puts it relative to their other cognitive skills. But the thing that's new and spicy is that on the second page here, right here at the bottom of the first page, and then here on the second page, they actually go through and give some pretty cool strategies you can click straight on. So this actually suddenly just became really useful for teachers. Maybe they want to help work with this student on knowing when to skim. This is something that they super suck at in history or science class or whatever. And so it takes you straight to a strategy that proposes just a few recommendations about how to approach it. Very, very approachable for students. Further, for you ADs out there, they have this page right here, strategies.mindprint.learning. I'm going to drop this link when I drop this video as well. But they have all of these little like one-off strategies for different things going on, different cognitive domains, and then the strategies underneath it that you can use. And again, when you click on them, it's a really quick like, take a look. Here's just a few basic recommendations that we have. Very, very accessible, extremely usable for teachers. I highly recommend taking a look through this yourself and then maybe sharing this with your staff if you think this could do what you want to do. Hope that's helpful for everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks and bye.